Hi everyone, and welcome to this Space Doodle Art drawing. And what I'm going to use is a brush pencil. This one is by Pigma. And the fun with drawing with the brush pencil is that you can get really fast a very great 3D effect when drawing letters. I simply place the upwards line thin and the downward lines thick. I will make a very special tutorial about that, especially for these kinds of letters. Around my word space, I place in some very awkward lines to make that word space pop out. Now for the drawing itself, the doodle, I will be using a Staedtler fineliner. Okay, let's start drawing. What do I think about when I think of space or the universe? Of course, there will be a rocket. On this rocket I draw some rounded lines to give it some markings. And of course also inside that rocket is that little window that I place in here, and the tip of the nose. And from the thrusters there comes those great beams, and this rocket is going behind my word space. Now here I draw in a galaxy. I simply draw rounded lines that go bigger and bigger, and here I'm going to draw in just some strange planet. What is also very nice is to draw in some shooting stars. And I will place in one here too. Just make it look as fast as possible and make some beams coming from it. And what is also very nice is to draw in that burning sun. I place in a little bit of shadow. And here I will be drawing a satellite. Satellites are a lot in space too. They circle the Earth or go farther and farther. So I put in some solar stars, cells and some antenna. And this is one of my favorites. It's the kind of planet that has that rings around it, like Saturn does. And I put in a little bit of markings on that planet too. Maybe put in some extra stars. And what is also very nice are those meteors. Just drawing a rocky shape and some beams from it. Once you're happy with your drawing, then you can take a color pencil or just a simple graphite pencil, and then you can start putting in some shadows on the objects that you've drawn, but you can also darken up the space itself a little bit. The graphite pencil is easily smoothed out with your finger. By drawing in these shadows, your drawing will get that extra special 3D effect. What is also very nice to do is to put a little bit of shadow in between each letter of the word space. This will make it extra 3-dimensional. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in my next tutorial.